In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check to see if someone has blocked you here on WhatsApp. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more WhatsApp content like this. Now, first things first, go ahead and open up WhatsApp and then go ahead and find their profile up at the very top. You may need to go ahead and click on their chat and then click on their profile up at the very top to get this to pop up. If their profile picture disappears, in my case, this guy's profile picture has always been black, so you don't really need to worry about it. But if it's not there, that's one of the signs that you've been blocked. Next, if you return to the chat, you can actually see their last seen or online status. If you can't actually see it anymore and they used to have it visible, that's once again another clue that you've been blocked. I also recommend sending a message. If it shows only one check mark and it never turns into two, like in this instance there's two here, that could mean that you're blocked unless their phone is off. And finally, click on this plus icon up at the very top and hit new group and try adding them to a group chat. If you get an error message saying that you can't add them, that's the strongest sign that you've been blocked. But that's it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.